Hi everyone. So thank you for being here. So if you're watching this, it means you're interested in working from home and becoming an ESL teacher. So today I'm going to show you the real process, not just a motivation, but the exact system. So today I'm going to discuss how to land your first ESL job in just 30 days. So even without experience. Okay, so let's start. All right. So first off, of course, you need to learn who we are, right? Of course, hindi naman kayo basta-basta magtitiwala. Tama? So I'm going to introduce who we are. So first, the business name is JMG WFH Facility and Virtual Assistance Services. So we founded June 2020. So that's already almost 6 years in June this year. Okay. And we helped over 1,300 ESL teachers worldwide already. And we are BIR and DTI registered. So as you can see, nandito yung aming DTI and yung BIR. You can also verify us sa kanilang website. So just to see it yourself. Okay? So of course, we started it from scratch, build the system, and now we train others. So my name is Mary Grace. Of course, I'm the founder of JMG. So I started being an ESL 2018. Yeah. So after that, I decided to create this system. Kasi before, wala pang ganito. So self-study talaga yung ginawa ko. And it's not easy, most especially kung mag-isa ka lang. So that's when I realized na ano kaya kung merong support system na magte-train sa akin. Siguro mas madali. So that's why JMJ exists. So again, hindi ako nagsimula na expert ako agad. So I started confused, rejected, na-rejected ako before, and unsure. But yun nga, I created the system, and that's what I'll show you today. So, what made you watch this? Diba? Of course, maybe you want to work from home. Sino bang may ayaw ng work from home, diba? Lalong-lalo na sa mga introvert like me. Kasi gusto natin yung nasa bahay lang, hindi lumalabas. Diba? Mas okay yung work from home kaysa araw-araw kang gigising ng maaga. Mag-prepare like 2 hours preparation bago ka makaalis ng house. Diba? Or maybe you're tired of commuting. Kasi ang haba-haba ng pila sa jeep, ang haba-haba ng pila sa LRT, 'di ba? Na sobrang nakakapagod mag-commute. Kaya gusto na lang natin sa bahay. Or maybe you need an extra income. So, syempre, sabi nga nila, hindi sapat na isa lang yung source of income mo. Mas okay na meron kang extra income. Pandagdag, di ba? Pandagdag sa ipon, pandagdag sa pambili ng kung ano-ano. So, yon. And maybe you want a flexible schedule. Maybe you're a student na kailangan mo ng extra allowance, kaya naghahanap ka ng work na flexible ang schedule na mag-fit sa schedule mo. Right? So, these are the reasons na nakikita ko kung bakit nanonood ka ngayon. And you're in the right place. So, bakit ESL? Kasi ESL, unang-una, it will give you the privilege to work from home. No need for big capital kasi hindi mo naman kailangan kumuha ng BIR, hindi mo kumuha ng kung ano-anong, kailangan kumuha ng kung ano-anong requirements na hinihingi. 'Di ba? Siyempre, kailangan mo ng computer. Kung meron kang computer at kung meron kayong internet, goods na yun. Kung meron kang headset, of course, kailangan mo rin yun. So, ayun. It also offers flexible schedule. So, yung mga naghahanap ng flexible schedule dyan, this is for you. So, no more angry boss. Ayan. Pag na-late ka, hindi ka mag-alala habang nasa biyahe ka na, naku, yung boss ko magagalit na. Right? Kasi dito, wala kang boss. Sarili mo ang boss mo. So, pag tinamad ka, hindi ka mag-work, okay lang, walang magagalit. Yun nga lang, wala ka rin kikitain. Okay? And of course, pwede to sa students, sa moms or dads, and sa mga gustong mag-shift ng mga career nila. Okay? Let me be honest, hindi siya easy money. Kailangan meron kang tamang preparation para makapasok or makapasa ka as an ESL teacher. Okay? And the big problem is, bakit ba nag-fail ang karamihan sa mga applicants? Kasi wala silang proper demo preparation. Kumbaga, nag-apply lang sila, sabak sa demo, without knowing ano ba yung kakaharapin nila sa demo. And yung iba walang system. Wala silang sinusunod ng system para makapag-apply. Kumbaga, sugod lang ng sugod. And walang support system. Ang swerte ko na lang talaga, nung 2018, hindi pa ganun kahigpit ang demo nila. But ngayon, as in, mahigpit na talaga. Kaya kung wala kang support system, mahihirapan kang makapasa. So, maraming gustong mag-ESL, pero ayun, konti lang yung naha-hire. Not because hindi sila magaling, but because they don't know the system. So, maraming lumalapit sa akin, sa amin na exam pa lang daw, bumagsak na raw sila. That's because, yun nga, wala silang support system. Pero kung may support system sila, I'm sure yung exam na yun, maipapasa nila. Kasi may tutulong sa kanila. Right? Okay. So, ano ba yung process kapag nag-apply ka na sa ESL? So, unang-una yun nga, kailangan mong mag-take ng exam. And, of course, meron din yung speaking test. Tech check, kasi i-check nila yung internet mo and yung device. And after nun, dun ka palang magde-demo. And after ng demo mo, kapag pumasa ka na, syempre meron pa ring first lesson. Diba? I remember nung nag-start ako, hindi ako nag-start agad kasi after kong makapasa siguro 1 week pa. Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari sa akin kapag nag-take ako ng first lesson ko. So unlike kapag meron kang support system, alam mo kung ano yung kailangan mong paghandaan. Makakapag-train ka. So dito sa buong hiring process, demo is where most applicants fail. Hindi sapat yung marunong ka lang mag-English. You must know how to teach, explain things na maiintindihan ng student mo. Lalong-lalo na kung bata sila. Okay? So, syempre kailangan alam mo kung magkano kikitain mo sa pagiging ESL teacher, di ba? So, ang income expectation natin is kikita ka ng 57 for sudden lessons and kikita ka rin ng 80 pesos for book lessons. Tumatagal yan ng 25 minutes. So, ang pwede mong kitain dyan is 1K to 120K monthly. Yes, 1K. Kung hindi ka magtatrabaho. But of course, kung gagalingan mo at sisipagan mo, yes, possible, kumita ka ng 120K monthly. Hindi yan theory, nangyayari yan. Dahil may mga kilala akong teachers na kumikita ng 60K per cut-off. And that's 120K monthly. Okay? So, yes. So, ano bang kailangan mo talaga para makapasa ka sa pagiging ESL teacher? So, of course, kailangan mo ng guidance. Yes, yan ang pinaka-importante. Kailangan mo ng guidance. Kailangan mo ng demo script framework kasi karamihan diyan bumabagsak. So, kung meron kang framework na susundin mo, mas madali kang makakapasa. Next, application strategy. Kailangan syempre may strategy ka para makapasa ka, di ba? And of course, textbook training. Para malaman mo kung paano mo talaga ituturo ang isang textbook, kailangan mo ng training. Right? And that's exactly what we do. That's exactly the system that we created for you. For people na kailangan ng training, for people na kailangan ng guidance, for people na kailangan ng support system. So if you're someone na feeling mo sobrang galing mo na sa English, if you're someone na very fluent na sa English, you can close the window now kasi you don't need us anymore. But if you're someone na even very fluent na, but feeling mo kailangan mo ng support system, then welcome ka pa rin dito. Kasi we have a lot of fluent individuals na kahit fluent na sila, nag-enroll pa rin sila. Kasi feeling nila kailangan nila ng support system or community to support each other. Yeah. So again, kailangan mo i-position yung sarili mo. Of course, this is where we come in. Ginawa namin yung system na to for you. And this is exactly, yun nga, kung bakit namin binuo yung system na to. So, our ESL job placement training program, ano ba yung mga makukuha mo? Exam sheet, kaya may ipapasa mo na yung exam nila. Actual demo script, kung ano yung mismong ide-demo mo, aaralin natin yan. Mock demo practice. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-demo hanggat hindi mo na ipapasa yung mock demo practice natin. Unlimited practice yan. Hanggang makita namin na ready ka na. And application guidance, of course. Kailangan nyo yan. So, support system, even habang nagde-demo ka, kasama mo kami from start to finish. It also includes live and recorded training kung paano ka makakapasa sa demo mo confidently. And hands-on training hanggang sa maging ready ka na mag-demo. And this one is very important, free Forex training kapag fully paid ka na. Yes, Forex training, you heard it right. Yung nakikita mong mga Forex training outside na nag-offer ng 100,000 enrollment fee, 50,000 enrollment fee, dito libre mo lang siyang makukuha basta fully paid ka na. So, magkano nga ba? Okay? But before that, I just want to, of course, clarify. Because we saw how many people struggle. We created a structured training program. So, inside our system, ito yung mga bagay na makukuha nyo step by step. We don't just give videos, we help you. We will help you with everything that you need para makapasa ka. Hindi ka manghuhula, hindi ka nadadaan sa trial and error. Ipa-follow mo na yung clear system na ginawa namin just to help you pass. And that's the difference. You will save a lot of time kasi yung 6 na taon na ginugol namin for this business, yun na yung pinaka-exact system na kailangan mong gawin para makapasa. Trial and error na yung ginawa namin dito. And palagi namin tong ini-improve just for people like you. So again, we are not selling hope. we are providing preparation. And those preparations are the things you need para makaland ka ng job as an ESL teacher. Okay? So, again, because of this step-by-step guide or step-by-step system, marami na kaming taong natulungan na ngayon kumikita na sila. Lifetime yan, lifetime opportunity yan. Kasi anytime na gusto mong magturo, kikita ka na agad by the next cut-off. Diba? Okay, so katulad nito. Ayan, this are samples ng mga dashboard na kinikita ng ibang teachers. So, mababa pa to. Actually, middle. Kasi iba merong 60K. But may makikita rin kayong 1K lang. Kasi nga, sila yung mga hindi nagturo. Maybe naging busy, nagbakasyon, something like that. So, meron din naman tayong Facebook page. Let me give that to you. So, sa Facebook page namin, this one. So, you can see a lot of reviews already. So, these are the people na natulungan na naming makapasa. So, reviewin nyo na lang, follow our Facebook page. Ayan, basahin nyo na lang siya isa-isa. Hindi ko na siya mapoprovide sa inyo dito kasi masyadong tatagal yung orientation na to. So, kayo na lang ang bahalang magbasa. Okay? Okay. So, now, I know na isa lang ang question na meron kayo. How much does the training and full guidance worth? Okay. So, the training fee is 5,000 pesos and it's payable on your first payday. Yes, sa first payday nyo pa yan, babayaran. So, ibig sabihin, kapag hindi kayo pumasa, hindi nyo kailangan magbayad ng 5,000 pesos. Magbabayad lang kayo niyan kapag pumasa na kayo at nag-start na kayong kumita. And then after that, after ng first payday mo and nabayaran mo na siya, of course, ang kasunod na mga income mo nun ay sa'yo na lahat. Para wala na kayong iisipin na kailangan nyo pang bayaran. So it's just a one-time training fee for 5,000 pesos on your first payday. And ang inclusions niyan is, of course, kapag nag-start ka na, for example, day 1 mo na, kailangan umattend ka ng training. Siyempre, dun sa training, ituturo sa inyo kung paano kayo mag-i-improve as a teacher, kung paano nyo ituturo yung mga textbook. And kasama din dyan is yung continuous assistance. Let's say, nagkaroon kayo ng problem. You can always ask para masabi namin sa inyo kung ano ba yung action plan na kailangan nyo gawin. And for the additional opportunities, I already mentioned it, yung sa Forex training. So, I can give you an access for a self-paced training for Forex kung interested kayo mag-Forex. Okay? So, syempre, para malaman namin kung seryoso ka ba sa pinapasok mo, of course, there's a small amount of registration fee. So, you can start now for as low as 399 pesos. Okay? So, yung training details natin is from Monday to Friday. 1 month training yan. But, karamihan sa kanila, natatapos nila within a week. Okay? And, pwede namang mag-extend, but hanggang 3 months lang. Okay? Hanggang 3 months extension lang. Kasi dun sa practice demo natin is somehow, kumbaga unlimited. But that is only for those people na actively attending the training. Okay? So, yeah, you can start now for as low as 399 pesos only. Parang bumili ka lang ng isang milk tea, 'di ba? Or isang kape. And who knows, maybe this 399 is simula na ng kumbaga life-changing opportunity na mahahanap mo online. Right? Okay. So now, if your question is how to proceed, so what you need to do is to go back to the person who gave you this video, tell that person that you wanted to proceed, and if you have questions, tanungin mo lang siya, and of course, they will be happy to provide you any answers that you need. And ask her to add you to our group chat if eager ka na makapag-start ASAP. So everyday naman, as long as nakapag-register ka na, you can start immediately. And yeah, take note that it's messenger only. Okay? So for the mode of payment, ang dapat makikita nyo um, sa group chat nyo is GCash. Starts with 0922, ends with 3015. And for the Union Bank, 1093 and ends with 9187. No other MOPs. Okay? So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. And I hope to see you in the training. And good luck on your ESL journey. God bless.